Nessa Sunshine here, and we are here with Rimmel creating a holiday glam. So if you want to get this look, make sure to subscribe and let's get into the tutorial. Today we're getting into the Magnifies Wow Edition palette. First shadow we'll be getting into is this one right here, which is a beautiful shimmer shade, nice and brightening for the holidays. So what I'm gonna do is take a blending brush, I'm going to swipe it into the palette, tap off any excess, and I'm going to start to swipe my brush horizontally. I'm holding it horizontally to the ground, and I'm swiping out. I'm going to start to move up into the crease, just in the center of the eyelid. And then what I'll do is start to kind of blend it and tilt my brush and hold it like a pencil toward my face. I'm not really adding any further of the shimmer, but just diffusing the excess. For our next shadow, we're getting into this beautiful coppery shimmer shade. And what we'll do with that is just add some dimension to the outer corner of the eye. I'm just using the same sort of fluffy blending brush, and I'm sweeping my brush into my shimmer. So what I'm doing is blending and adding the color to the outer corner very gently, so it gives a really pretty warmth to this look. Next, we'll be going into the Wonder Swipe 2-in-1 liner to shadow. So this shade is in the shade Insta Famous, very beautiful and gold. It can be used as a liner, and you can also smudge it out, and then it becomes a beautiful topper for shadow. So as I look down, I'm going to take the liner right into the center of the eyelid, and I'm creating little lines, but what I will do is blend it out with my ring finger. I'm gonna tap it out very gently. So just tap, 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 and it kind of melts the shades all together. So pretty, it's a perfect topper for the holidays. Going back into the Magnifies Wow Edition palette with the same coppery shimmer shade I used before, I'm going to take the brush that comes in the palette, and this part right here, I'm going to take it into this pretty copper shade. It's so shimmery, I love it. And what I'll do is add it to the outer corner of the eye, and I'm gonna kind of connect it up here a little bit, and I'm just blending it in a sweeping motion. It's time for mascara. So we're gonna get into the Wonderluxe Volume Mascara, and let me tell you, we're gonna get some volume. So this is a beautiful mascara. I love the wand. I'm going to just take it into the lashes, and I'm gonna bring it up, and it's gonna last all day long, which is great. It's not gonna flake. So the side that I'm using is lengthening my lashes. It has a curved side, and then when I turn it around, it creates added volume. So that's a really cool thing about this brush as well. It not only separates, but it can lengthen and volumize just by switching the brush. Next, we're gonna get into the Maxi Blush in the shade Third Base. So I'm going to just add this beautiful blush to the apple of my cheek, but I also like to move it up and back, and I love that it has a really pretty glow, so I'm like, ooh, blush. For lips, I'm going to begin with the Stay Matte Liquid Lip in Fire Starter. To finish this look, we're going to set it and forget it with this Stay Matte Fix and Go spray. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial featuring this holiday look here on Rimmel's YouTube channel. If you did like it, make sure to like this video, subscribe if you are not subscribed already, and follow me as well on Instagram at Nessa Sunshine, and here on YouTube, Nessa Sunshine. So I will see you and have a wonderful holiday. Bye. Bye now.